And another thing to look for is just because a part looks really nice doesn't mean it's finished, doesn't mean it's done. Sometimes we have to take a part that looks nice like this and turn it in a part that looks like this to then bring it back to look like a part like this. So if this had sharp edges on it, looks nice, but has sharp edges, we have to process the whole part. People, like Steven says, I don't want you to touch this part. Doesn't work. It hits every single part of the part, every section of the part. So that's something. But we have a process.
Can I feel a good change? So this is brass. So if I want to keep this part like this, can I put polyurethane on it then, or do people coat it then, or do something to it?
If you wanna change it,
No, if I want to keep it and this is going to corrode eventually, or
well, that's what we were talking before about coating, is a lot of people will take apart to get a polish like that using tumbling, and then they might wanna put some kind of a clear coat
well, they
on
will
there.
put it. Yeah,
Sure.
okay, all right. Yeah, this is really.